To collect data using your application, first ensure that your Trigno base station and Trigno link are connected. Then, press the play button at the top of the Unity editor. Now, ensure that the text for the API status says that the data source is loaded and ready to scan, and that the pipeline state is set to off. Next, pull out an Avanti sensor from your base station and connect it to the magnet so that it is scanning for connection. And turn on your Trigno link connected sensor and make sure that it is in scanning mode as well. Then you're going to click the scan button. You can check in the Unity console to see what is being picked up in your scan. So our heart rate sensor is being picked up, and the Avanti sensor that was found was also picked up. Once the scan is complete, you can click the select button, and this will select every found sensor. As you can see here, all the sensors were selected. Then you can start, and this will start collecting the data in real time. You can see the number going up here. This is the number of data pieces that it has gotten, and then these are the values of the data. You can see this is all the EMG data, and then if we want to get the heart rate data, it is also in here. It's just a little harder to find, and they have different polling rates. So you can see my heart rate is fluctuating between these values, but it's close to resting. So this is how you would collect the data, and then you could access the data in this application in real time using the methods discussed on the site, or you could just finish the data using the stop button. And then as long as this application is still running, you still have access to all of the collection data. So if you had a script to run after that, you could do so and access all of the data that way as well. And that's basically it. That's how you read the data using the Trigno link and the Trigno base station.